Hello there, and welcome to a new Techalyzer episode. Today, sponsored by Real Life Events. We're gonna change this door handle together with a locking mechanism inside. As you can see, there's nothing in here right now. Oh no, just gotta keep hiding my shoes from my cat. I don't think he pees in them, but he tends to smell them a lot, and they get this smell. I figured out it smells exactly like his food bowl after he eats. I think he leaves a ton of drool or something. But anyway, I need to keep them away from him. I hope you don't pee on that. I know it's a bit yellowish, but anyway. Yeah, this is the new rather the locking mechanism. That's right. Run away. The old one was like a 30-40-year-old. I'm not even touching this. It's full of grease. Well, I greased it. From the communist era. Like, this is decades old, and what happens is these springs. I don't know a whole lot about what springs are made of, but it seems that either the metal ages in some way or just the ordinary metal fatigue. And, well, come on. Anyway, the springs break at some point, and it's interesting because it seems like it's almost like metal powder held together by glue. You know, it feels like it's been fine powder glued. Anyway, this is the new mechanism. I don't see any grease in here, but as long as it works like it does now. Maybe it has a little from the factory, I don't know. Anyway, before I attempt to put this in, I need to... I'm gonna stop the washing machine for a while and I can't speak over it. You see, it should fit perfectly in here. Yeah, that's perfect fit. Oh, even this side, this plate here, that is nice. But this locking pin is the wrong way because it needs to be with the straight edge towards here. You know, if you lock it like this, like it's now. Oh, and also it seems I'll have to change this. Oh no, it catches a bit in the hole. If it's with the slope on this side, it will just slide open. You know, like it slides past this metal stop here. And what you need to do in that case is to open the lock. Let's see if this works so perfectly. And these metal pins are made so you can flip them around depending on the direction in which you're putting them. Let's gently take this off. Oh no, I can't. I need to undo these as well. Do I? Seems like so. It shouldn't be too hard. And it just falls apart. Why not? Yeah, there's a tiny little bit of grease here and there. It's not a lot of grease, but I guess it does its job. We'll see. What I noticed right away is that the springs are way stiffer for this new one. And just grab this pin and spin it the other way around, and then just put this back. Damn it. Not sure, these are a little bit more stupid. Not in the lens you... Not very smart. The old ones you just... and it should be between these two washers. The old ones have all the components on one side, so you can just slide the lid off and then everything stays in place. This one, it's rather nasty. Let's see if this... Something doesn't appear to be right. Or is it? No, it should be fine. And twist and twist. Couple of screws on this side as well. Make sure they're tight, and they're not. It's a really cheap one as well. Couldn't afford a better one, but now, given how the doors look and the fact that it's not really my home, that should be enough. I have the old handles here. Let's see if I can straighten the camera a bit. Let's see if it works. No. And I don't think this is gonna fit. So that's not good. I'll have to go buy the handles as well. God damn it. Okay, I'll be back after I buy the handles. I am back with the new handles. Damn bastards. I mean, I've wasted a whole lot of money for nothing. Just so they can sell stuff. And I'm not even sure you can tell the difference. This side maybe. Ever so slightly, just like half a millimeter, quarter of a millimeter. Oh boy. Yeah, so there's a couple of screws here for each one, and they have this spring. Okay, let's see this thing in action. So it's gonna be here. I think I'm gonna have to go for the tripod. Okay. And now the stupid thing is that I have these shields here, and obviously there's not gonna be any paint underneath, and I have to pry them out. And that means I'll have a big patch of unpainted wood. Yep, all around the place. Just like that. Oh, come on, is this a screw? Doesn't appear to be, just a nail. They used nails, my god. Pretty stupid workers back then. I'm sure it doesn't get any better now, but... take a look at this. I'll have to cover this. This is the original wood from like decades ago. And the thing is, if you apply new paint, it's gonna stand out anyway because it's fresh new paint. And this is gonna be like a yellowish tint, and the new paint will be super bright white. So you'd have to do the whole damn door. I don't know. I'm trying to be smart here and bring everything in before I hit record. Okay, let's see, screws. I don't remember how deep these were. I think that should do it. bottom one goes at an angle, because that's how the hole was drilled. But it shouldn't be a problem. There's plenty of clearance. See, there's a lot of space here. Okay, now should grab the other side as well. Comes. Now let's think a bit. What is the best? Well, no, it doesn't matter. And this one, yeah, goes in at an angle because they're so smart. Oh, the damn thing doesn't work. I think I put something wrong inside when I opened it. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. It should work now. Let's see. Yep. Let's put the screws back in. I wonder if I can put this in straight. Oh yeah. I think they're like, oh nah, it's still on one side. Now let me check if I could put it first and then come with this cover over. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'll be out of battery. I'll be back when it's finished. Oh, this is basically it. You just do this, then put some screws in this black plastic and then come with this cover over, and that's the lock. Can't even tell you how pissed off I am right now. The same thing with everything these days. A lot of money and nothing works, and it's all crap quality. I'm finished putting all these in. They don't even fit because they're made for wider doors. You can see how this sits at an angle because the piece inside is tilted. It's not straight. And then this happened. It's brand new. Swear to God, with these things, I feel the urge to just, you know, mold them myself, build them myself. God damn it! Look at that. It works now. I bet if I put this in, the battery won't be drained. They're so stupid that they put screws in the bag so long that when you put them in, it squeezes the mechanism inside, and that's why it didn't work. Can these people be more retarded than this? And you pay money for this. You see, this is my problem with the world today. I don't want to pay a dime for things that don't work. Check this out. Works. Where is it? Oh, come on! Tighten the screw. Come on. A bit more. There. Doesn't work. Loosen the screw. Works. How about that? Their own screws, their own handles, their own lock. F you, Yale. F you. Okay, I finally did it. I had to get rid of the screws here and just rely on these stupid pins that hold together the central bar that actually moves the mechanism. Incredibly stupid and poor design. I couldn't come up with something more crappier if I had to think for it like a couple of years. You can't come up with this stuff. Look at this. There can be something done, but that's not the point. I can cut the central piece, you know, to shorten the length. But that's not the point. The point is, and this is how you buy it. Yeah. Check that out. That's like 5 millimeters. And you can't squeeze it anymore. It's just, that's the length. Oh well. I'll do that probably another day. Just cut that bar and make this thing fit here. I'll actually see if I can do that right now. Okay, I've managed to cut this space just short enough. You can see I cut it here at this end. Just short enough that hopefully the handles will come flush on the surface of the door. And there you have it. Looking and working as it should have a couple of hours ago by itself. Oh boy. And it closes. It's sturdy, it's flush with the surface. The only thing you need to do now is the paint bit. But that's a different story. Why can't they just work like this from the first time? I wonder. It's okay, I mean, when I improvise stuff and I do, you know, things from bits and pieces I have and I try to figure out something. But when you buy something new, specifically designed for a purpose, and it doesn't work, that's not okay. And it needs the screws here. I'll put those. Okay. That's it for today. Heat settling in again. It's gonna be a fun evening. At least I got this to work, sort of. You can see there's still some bit of space here, but it's that plastic, it's mangled, it's bent, can't do it better than this. That's the quality of these days. That's it this time. Thanks for watching.